Dystopia is the anguish of living vegan in a non-vegan world. It's like looking out into the ocean and seeing animals drowning, racing into the water to save them. And as you bring each one to shore, your friends, family, and everyone around you is picking them back up and throwing them back in. That's what it feels like to be vegan in a non-vegan world. But here, with me, you have found a friend, somebody who understands. I'm responding to this comment today as I sit in a restaurant looking out at the Mediterranean. But beside me are the bodies of all kinds of individuals who were betrayed and murdered. So I understand how you feel. You wrote that the video that I posted made you cry, and I'm glad that it did. Not because I want you to be sad, but because I want you on my side to help me defend the animals. I hope that you will be vegan if you're not already, and that you will continue to post on a daily basis to remind people that chickens, pigs, cows, turkeys, lambs, and all animals want to live. Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. After watching the video of the animals suffering, it touched you, and that's good. You see, the problem with our society is that we hide the truth from everyone, from teachers, parents, and kids. You talk about the pinned post that I have right now on TikTok, the one where I'm singing and I'm showing the animals as they are being betrayed. It touched you because you're normal. It's normal to feel what you're feeling. It's not normal for you to not know what's going on. It's not normal for a society to hide the truth from people so they can't even make informed decisions. You wrote that you're not vegan, but that the video I posted made you very sad. Why did it make you sad? What was it about seeing the animals suffer that made you feel like crying? Let me tell you, it's something called empathy. You have it. You've always had it. All of us have empathy in our hearts. We were all born vegan. It's not our fault that our parents fed us the flesh of animals. We didn't know any better, but now we do. And when we know better, we can do better. And we can change. And we can all become vegan again. Even you. So you're another person who saw what the animals go through. The betrayal in their eyes. A video that I posted of what really happens, except you only saw a very small part of it. Imagine if you knew the full scope of what happens to these innocent beings, the chickens, the cows, the pigs, the turkeys, the lambs. So many animals suffer, and I too cry regularly because of what they're going through and because of how cruel humans continue to be. So I want to thank you today for your honesty and for your tears in solidarity.